Okay, something a bit different. We've got a 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport, an automatic 4x4 SUV in white with a black roof. Roof is removable. It's got the monster all-terrains on it at the moment. Exterior in the vehicle presents like new. It has a full service history, 79,000 kilometres. Just a beautiful car inside and out. Take a look at the interior. So we've got the cruise control on the steering wheel there, Bluetooth connectivity. There's your dash there, 79,000. There's your big colour screen. I believe it does have the satellite navigation, dual zone climate air, power windows, automatic transmission with your off-road modes. Interior seat trim, just like new. I believe it has the side airbags. I'll double check that. Logbook's 2 keys. Check out the photos for the service history. And there's your back seat there, all looking like new. All inquiries welcome. Please give us a call.